Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CS2 not launching. So the first step, go to library, go to CS2. I know it's silly, but believe me guys, it's working. For a lot of people it worked. Go to properties, go to general, and then change language to whatever, right? Change, for example, to Finnish, right? And then you just need to launch the game and look if the problem persists. If the game is launching, then just change to normal language, right? This is the first step. Other thing, if this do not work, always update your operating system and your GPU drivers. Go to settings, go to Windows Update, update here if there is available update. Go to your GPU drivers. I'm using NVIDIA, so I just can go to NVIDIA app and install drivers here and look if the problem persists or not. Also, if you use Riva Tuner or on your PC is basically running or MSI Afterburner, sometimes it can prevent from launching. So make sure that these apps is not available for you or disabled, right? Other thing that you need to do here is you need to look for Steam, right click on it, open file location, and then here, right click again, and then open file location again. Then what you need to do here is to look for user data, and then you will see a bunch of different numbers. Then what you need to do here is to go on Steam, go to your profile, and then you will see this link. Copy this link, then go to a browser, go to steamidfinder.com, paste that URL, and then just leave with the numbers. Delete everything except the numbers, and press enter. And on Steam ID 3, you will get the number here, 152704. And then you need to look what number matches here, 152704. So this means this is the account. And then you need to just delete 730, and then launch the game, and the issue should be solved. So if I go on Steam and let's, for example, run the game. And also don't forget to verify some files, install files, verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files. And let's, for example, play. So as you can see here, guys, CS2 is working. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.